As viewers watch this vintage industrial film, they are offered a fascinating historical window into the legendary Ford Rouge River Plant, a colossal manufacturing marvel that revolutionized modern mass production during the 20th century. Conceived by Henry Ford to achieve total vertical integration, this sprawling Dearborn complex transformed raw elements like iron ore, coal, and limestone into fully completed automobiles entirely under one roof. The archival footage captures an era when thousands of workers and roaring machinery synchronized to build an industrial empire, forever changing global manufacturing history. As giant ore ships glide into the Rouge River, they deliver the raw materials that fuel one of the world's largest manufacturing operations. At its historical peak, the Ford Rouge River Plant was the largest integrated industrial complex in the world. Spanning roughly 1.5 miles wide by a mile long, the massive self-contained manufacturing city encompassed 93 buildings, with nearly 16 million square feet of factory floor space. More than 100,000 workers powered the site around the clock, supported by its own internal railway system, deep-water docks, and power plant to turn raw ore into finished vehicles. The Ford Rouge plant was designed to do something revolutionary. Instead of relying on outside suppliers, nearly every major component could be produced right here. Iron ore, coal, and limestone arrived by water before beginning a carefully planned journey through the sprawling industrial complex. Specialized unloading equipment transferred thousands of tons of material with remarkable speed, keeping production moving without interruption. From the docks, raw materials traveled by an extensive network of rail lines, conveyors, and internal transport systems connecting every part of the plant. The Rouge was more than a factory. It was an industrial city, complete with its own power generation, railroads, docks, and steel mills. Every department depended on the next. Careful planning ensured that materials arrived exactly where they were needed, exactly when they were needed. This seamless flow of resources allowed Ford to control nearly every step of automobile production, reducing costs while increasing efficiency. Inside the steel mill, intense heat transformed raw iron into molten metal, the foundation of every vehicle built at the Rouge. Powerful furnaces operated around the clock, producing steel that would soon become engines, frames, body panels, and countless other components. Working in the steel mills of the Ford Rouge River Plant meant enduring grueling shifts amidst intense, punishing heat and relentless machinery. Laborers operated around the clock in brutal environments near massive furnaces, where molten metal raged at thousands of degrees and heavy physical labor was required every single minute. The constant roar of rolling mills, thick air filled with industrial dust, and the severe hazard of handling liquid steel made accidents a daily threat. These workers faced exhausting, hazardous conditions that demanded extreme endurance, laying the foundation for the mass production of the 20th century at a profound physical cost. What began as raw ore only hours earlier was already taking shape as the building blocks of a finished automobile. Every stage of production was connected, allowing materials to move continuously without unnecessary delays. Massive rolling mills shaped red-hot steel into sheets and beams with astonishing precision and speed. Thank you for watching Part 1. Please tune in to Part 2 to continue the story and please subscribe.